Hello friends, this is Himanshu Shrimal, ex-PWD Chief Engineer with a new episode of Road Safety. I think you must have liked my first episode on road safety regarding 4 E's. Now today I will be dealing with psychology of drivers on the road. While we are driving on the road, we should be constantly in touch of the events which are going on the road. These situational cues combined with your own habits will make your decision on the road at that instance. You can constantly modify your driving habits, your driving personality by monitoring what other motorists are doing on the road. And now comes into the picture what is compassionate driving. The traffic system consists of 3 elements. These 3 elements are the road user, which is a human factor, the vehicle and the traffic system. Of these 3 elements, the human factor means the driver is the most active responder to the traffic environment. Today we shall analyze the relationship between a heavy vehicle driver and a car driver. If you see on any highway, a heavy vehicle driver travels at a speed of 30 to 50 kilometers per hour, while a car driver travels at a speed of 80 to 100, 110 kilometers per hour. This huge difference between the speeds is the root cause of friction between these 2 types of vehicles. The maneuvering of a heavy vehicle is definitely difficult than a car. That is because of the load difference. A car is way lighter than the heavy vehicle. This difference in maneuverability of a heavy vehicle is the cause of friction between the 2 drivers, and the response of a heavy vehicle driver to a call from a car driver is always tepid, or you can say he will not at all respond to you. One more factor which should be considered is a heavy vehicle driver is on the road at a stretch for 20 to 25 days and he is away from his home. So this factor should be considered, and his only communication with his family is through his phone only. So harsh conditions of driving away from the family for a long stretch of time, this will make their life miserable. And here comes compassionate driving on the part of a small vehicle, because we always end up our day in our cozy homes, but that is not the case with a heavy vehicle driver. So be a compassionate driver and think about the heavy vehicle driver who is on the road for a longer period of time away from his family. Hope you have liked this vlog. Please communicate your reactions. I will come with some new subject. By then, thank you very much. Goodbye.